Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa, and today I'm sharing a big secret with you guys. Today I wanted to share how I saved thousands, when I mean thousands of dollars by buying perfume online. If you are still buying your perfumes at Ulta, Sephora, Macy's, Belk, whatever, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing with your money? Like, I mean, it's your money, whatever, but you can get your perfume for so much cheaper on a certain websites or marketplaces, and today I will be sharing those with you guys. But before I jump into the video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's just jump right in. So I wanted to mention, if you are a perfume reviewer, or if you are already aware of that, it's probably going to be boring for you. Maybe you will learn something, maybe you won't. But today I'm just gonna share my tricks, how I save thousands of dollars. Seriously, thousands. We all know perfume is not cheap. Most of the designer perfumes are in the $100, $130, $140 range, and I love perfume. I have a perfume collection for almost I think it's 88 perfumes at this point, and it's pretty big. But let me tell you, I have not spent, I mean, yes, I've spent a lot of money on perfumes, but I definitely have saved so much money. Like, if I would have bought all of these perfumes just on like Sephora or Ulta, my wallet would be suffering big time right now. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna see if I can share my screen with you guys. So let me go ahead and start screen recording on my phone. So we all know Fragrancenet. So let's see. So the thing is, you know what, let me quickly actually stop sharing this one. The thing is with specifically with Fragrancenet, they definitely have upped their customer service, that's for sure. In the past I think they were a little bit but they definitely have upped their customer service. So the thing with Fragrancenet, don't Google Fragrancenet and then look for your perfume. Google the perfume that you want, because the thing is with Fragrancenet, so let's go ahead and share my screen now. So 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, so let's just see, we are looking for Versace Crystal Noir. Okay, Versace Crystal Noir. Okay, so we see it right here. Fragrancenet comes right up, $59. Then we see Macy's, $99. I mean, come on. So we click on Fragrancenet, and coupon boom up here has been added. So 3 ounce bottle for $59, or test the bottle. Usually comes without a box or in a white plain box, and most of the time has notes in the back, which I can already see with this one right here. It has notes in the back. 3 ounce bottle, $53. Oh my god. And the thing is, there's a huge airplane passing right now. So if I add this to bag right now, add to bag, I have a $37 coupon, 37% off coupon added. But if I just go into Fragrancenet, so let me clear this history. Let's just type in Versace Crystal Noir. Oh, no. Sorry. Let's type in Fragrancenet. Okay, Fragrancenet. And now we only have 30% off. So always look for the perfume first when you shop on Fragrancenet, and then you get the most percentage off. Never just go on the website directly, because you know, if you go now on the Ulta website and you want to look for Versace, if they have it, Crystal Noir 1.7 ounces, already $82. So let me stop recording here. Like, you see, like, you get half of the bottle. You get 1.7 ounces instead of 3 ounces, and you get it for way cheaper, $53 for the tester, $82 at Ulta. You save so much money right there already. Never pay full price. Then another thing I want to share is Obviously you have Fragrancenet, you have Fragrance X. With Fragrance X, they're always, I think Fragrancenet and Fragrance X, they're always pretty at the same price. With Fragrance X, you always put FX15 in the coupon section. It takes 15% off, but it's already pretty cheap over there. Then we have another app. Let me show this with you guys. So now we have Makari. If you have never heard of Makari, Makari is an online marketplace. So we have used perfumes here. I see, like, you see, like, what I've liked is already sold, but I'm having an eye on the Azaro Wanted Girl perfume. $20. $20 for 1 ounce. It has been used a little bit already. So let's go ahead and look for Azaro Wanted Girl right here. Well, fragrance net not too bad, $34. Saks Fifth Avenue actually $40. So I guess that's already a pretty cheap perfume, but still it's cheaper on Makari. So yeah, Makari is like the online marketplace. I've shopped there quite a few times before. Most of the times it's used bottles, a little bit is missing. Sometimes you get a brand new bottle. Sometimes it's been sprayed 1 or 2 times and the person didn't like it. But you can get such good deals there. Like I got Dior, Miss Dior there for $35. I got Armani C Intense for like $40, and like on the website on Armani it's like $135. Like you can save so much money. There's so many ways. You just gotta be careful a little bit, because when you go to eBay, for example, so with eBay, it's also a hit and miss. But the good thing with eBay is you always have to here somewhere. With eBay, you always have the money back guarantee 100%. So one time I've ordered a perfume off eBay and I was a little bit skeptical because the perfume was only $30 and it was from YSL, and I got it and I could immediately tell it was fake. The way the nozzle sprayed, because I have the intense version, and the way the YSL logo was glued on the back, so I could just tell. And the good thing is that they completely refunded me the money and I did not have to return it. So that's the good thing with eBay, but yet you have to be a little bit careful. If you, for example, look for Baccarat Rouge 540 or the Lena exclusive, and then you see it comes from Russia, it's most likely gonna be fake, because I think most fake perfumes either come from China or from Russia. So you do have to be careful, because you can find like Delina for around 60 to 70 bucks on eBay, but it's most likely gonna be fake. So there you have to be a little bit careful, a little bit smart on those decisions, because you can get a fake bottle there. So yeah, let's see. Amazon, I've ordered plenty of perfumes from Amazon before, never had problems, but always make sure you have the 30-day return policy, because sometimes certain sellers on Amazon don't offer that, and I did had that one time before where I had to pay for shipping with Amazon, with the Amazon return that I didn't like, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna bother, I'm just gonna see if I can sell it through Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, you just, you know, there's so many ways on saving money. Also there's so many different websites out there on Google. If you type in certain perfumes, go on Trustpilot. That is also like where people put on reviews. Oh, one second, my husband calling. Hello. So yeah, go on Trustpilot. Sometimes you will see, you know, you see customers reviewing those pages, and you see if it's legit or not. One time I ordered a perfume, was actually not too long ago. I tried to get Ellis Brooklyn Myth. I really want that perfume, and I found this website. I've never heard of it before. It was only $13. $13. That perfume costs $105 at Ulta. So I was like, I don't find any reviews on Trustpilot. I saw they have an Instagram page with thousands of followers, so I was like, you know what, let me pay with PayPal and see, you know, because with PayPal I feel like a little bit more secure, and I recommend, if you buy online, only pay with PayPal so nobody can get your information or anything like that. So let me pay with PayPal, and $13. That sounds too good to be true, and it was too good to be true. A couple days later, they sent me an email that they refunded me the money because the item was not in stock or something like that. But now I still check on the website, they still have it there for $13. So I'm like, what the hell? A little bit sketchy. So you do have to be a little bit careful. But yeah, Fragrancenet, Fragrance X, FragranceBuy.ca. I've never shopped on them before, but I've heard really good reviews about them. And yeah, like I said, I saved thousands of dollars with this. So I really hope this was helpful for you if you are, you know, want to have more perfumes but you can't afford it because they're expensive. Look for these websites and these tricks that I just showed you guys. Definitely Makari and Fragrancenet. Look for the 37% off coupon. And then they always say it expires within like a couple of hours, but it won't. They always have it. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.